This is the last time I will be making a video responding to anything relating to apology concerning Ogechi. I saw my video about Ogechi, but I said anything relating to apology, Jukowesi, apology Jigalese, make peace or not make peace also. This is the last time I will be talking about it on Facebook here. Now, I want you to listen to what Mommy Joy said. Then I will tell you my final message, and that will be the end as far as make peace and therefore Ogechi nanya advice Ogechi ebe Ogechi no on a like here. This will be the last time I will be talking about it. Gente.
Hello, happy Sunday people. If I across this my video because I could tune my brother is somebody said on a video Ebezu gonna na Ogechi will never apologize. My brother Zugo, he not pray Ogechi Okeke Njaka, he's surrounding me with him. Why are not found Nimenga? Why are not found Nanga? Nga ukupate matu. Our brother Zugo, he love Ogechi Okeke Njaka, he's surrounding me with Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Eleke wuna na achọta ga-eshi wee mee ya ka ka woman shigodu n'ime ka place ọnụ wee pụta wee ji aka ya wee sara ọnụ ya. Eleke ị na-eme video n'oge Ogechi Okeke Njaka eme na apologize. Our brother Zugo Ogechi Okeke Njaka nwunye mmadụ. Ogechi Okeke Njaka mama mmadụ. Onye ọbụla mma na ọ hụrụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka n'anya na video ị ga na-eme otu oge eshi Nime prison on the web. I got my brother Zugo. Our brother Zugo, when the people only working over immediate purposely. After planet, take a fuel, don't do when they were already. So many people you win there were. After planet, take a fuel, or connect. You know, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. This place on a like here. Here, a lot of Ogechi and Gapata. I am not a Gane, Opota, almost Ogechi, I apologize, almost Ogechi, now met in Donner. And then we are again with disagreement, I tell my agreement. So you must head like that to have become. Our brothers will web Mesley. Our brothers will get tickets local. I'll make us the fuel local become. Again, our brothers will go. Our brothers will get Mesley. You are just beginning your life. Honestly, when you give non a position, Ogechi Okeke Njaka no opportunity kite. Like here, the answer is no. Ogechi Okeke Njaka now be the man for how many months? Here a lot of the sharp body. After the video, Ogechi Okeke Njaka will never apologize. Who that fight to run away, live to fight again. Beacon. One of them video, the video talk is sharp than I'm gone. One of them video now, no put up, our brothers will go pick them easily. You know, Ogechi, you are a full supporter of Ogechi. Where she is now, did you love it? The answer is no. So what are you gonna do for her to come out in the place she is now? Is what you'll be talking. I got our brothers will go. So Kushenia, Maya Napa, this woman Napa, Mawuna Makia. Sikemudo, Apakaneku, Ogechi Okeke Njaka will never apologize. But you are in your comfort zone. Ekachamamu again share the bigger Gigi Zuko. So why are you saying that Ogechi Okeke Njaka will never apologize? Are you her friend or are you her enemy? Ezuko. Can't push it there. Can't push it. Because I know in our comfort zone near the video. This woman cannot speak. She cannot speak for herself. You know that we could do it. And then she cannot apologize and you are in your comfort zone. Let's go on them. Also, let push it on. Because you know Ogechi. for peace. Shalom Chineke.
Okay, like I said, after this, I will not make any other video relating to Ogechi apologize. Let us make peace. Una like Ogechi no. Ono wunde na deceive Ogechi. Today will be the last time I will make that video. I can talk about any other thing because I cannot stop talking about Ogechi. Mommy Joy, I am assuming that your constant hammering on Ogechi apologize or Ogechi apologize is because a whole lot of you have gathered and you have assumed that Ogechi is 100% guilty of everything Ekugolu about her. But the people who things about her, they are innocent. And you have concluded that everything Ogechi kulu about people, that those people don't deserve it. But every single thing people kulu about Ogechi, no Ogechi deserve it. After maybe kulu nandi we kanko. I dare you to show me a single person Ogechi no salogo na Facebook. A single person Ogechi no salogo na Facebook. Ebe huzo show Ogechi okwu. Ekwu haye. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu ekwuo o nwere ife anyo ba mere Ogechi. But the moment I ajụkwa na ajụjụ si unu o nwere ife mama Ogechi mere J Park. Egbafere ihe okwu ihe kweze. Now let me put a direct message to you. Question to you, Mommy Joy. There was a time na Facebook you started insulting my mother. The video do here na Facebook will never forget. You started insulting my mother. There is no name you did not call my mother. It's na my mom. There is nothing you did not say about my mother. I did not talk to your mother. I did not say anything about anybody related to your family, but rather I was concentrating on Nangowa. Mommy Joy, did I take you to police? Did we settle our problem na police station? Okwamuna huku welukukoncha ko si do ai settle kwa onye ọ na gaba. Okuka unu collide ko unu gbo Ogechi. It is only Ogechi ko odolo ema no ya ala wo no ko no buy okuka. As for me, all this okuka unu na achọ ko unu go say kai subdue oye, she must apologize. If you want peace, tell me injustice that no kaya no Ogechi kolo. No one show peace, no bla go kono na go. Ono show peace. The only way you can achieve peace is unless no na subdue Ogechi to her knee. So no na conquer Ogechi technically by her apologizing. Kunu we mo ya mo. Amo kunu mi fo no na cho. But unkucha kwasem, I can control what I will say, but I cannot control what Ogechi will say. Ogechi cannot say anything where she is. Ogechi is suffering. Ogechi would the only person not going at detention if you go no one in it. Right? Ogechi would the only person not going at detention. If you go no one in it, you suddenly start feeling pity for Ogechi. It is deceitful. Let's tell ourselves the truth. You don't love her. You know you don't love her. If you love her, you will want to end the bully against Ogechi on Facebook. Who has ever been bullied more than Ogechi on Facebook? Who has ever done that? I'm asking you. Every single thing people call about Ogechi, she deserves it. I saw a video being make a video say Ogechi Quiver Makonya, Ogechi Quiver Makonya, no Ogechi do guilty. You said it. No matter how yet. No all apology. I have never heard you say anything about Ife Kurumako Ogechi. Mommy Joy, only if any nendem madu kugoro mako Ogechi on Facebook do fair. I wish all that to you. Say amen. Na every single thing J Park na ndị ha na Ogechi nwelu okukugolo about Ogechi. Na ife ahụ ezigbo ife. Na Ogechi deserve it. I wish you 100-fold of such faith. Say amen. Una agosi na aghụghọ. Onye na-emekwa ife nye cheta maka echi. I cannot be cowed. I cannot be cowed by all this intimidation. By use of video. Apologize. I have seen every making mother now peace. No victor, no vanquisher. Emadifonya Melugu, apologize to her. Emadifonya Melugu, apologize to him. Ona anuzina. Because no ona lu na shieldo sword there. Meludo blah 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 blah. Those people we have a peace meeting behind your back. They will come out openly and snap pictures. You won't even know how that matter was settled. That was how they ended Nigerian civil war. No victor, no vanquisher. Emeghe ka ọwụ na Nigerian government meriri ndị Biafra. Emeghe ka ọwụ na ndị Biafra meriri ndị Nigerian government. Ọgwụgodu na enwere any form of keriva na-akpọ surrender. It is not emere ka ọ do openly for the sake of ebe a na-eje ka a ghara inwe intimidation further in the future. Nigeria da-asị yes nakwa ha meriri ha ewee mee no victor no vanquisher. Ịmara ife mmeghe adụghọ mma gbaghalụ m biko nke imere m adụghọ mma agbaghalụ na mana ụnụ aha da-eje na nke unu merụ ya adụghọ mma unu na-eru that one off completely. Aghụghọ dị ya. Mommy Joy mbịaruo bụ ịbịa za na ahụ maọbụ mbịaruo ebe ị nọ ewere m ụla sachie gị anya morisicha gị anya retaliate back ewe m polisi jekwara ịbịazie na police station onwezi ife nwere ihe ekwu ndị mmadụ asịzi apologize to him, apologize to him. Will you apologize to me because you are in the police station or because you are in a prison custody? Ana m ajụ ajụjụ ọ mpụta abịa nzoro ife ọ mpụta abịa mee ife ọjọọ ndị mmadụ asịzi apologize to him. Apologize ya ga ụnụ arụsịkwa na aghụghọ ụnụ na aghụghọ ụnụ arụsịkwa na aghụghọ ụnụ na aghụghọ. Ana m ada afụ na some of you na-ekwu na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu will come out stronger. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu anọkwo na detention over 3 years. None of you has ever bothered to tell Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and the family to apologize to Nigerian government and retreat from that struggle so that he can be free and go back to his family. He can say ride on, ride on, ride on. 3 years and similar thing with Ogechi, a UK citizen who is supposed to be enjoying his life in UK. But now say ride on 3 years and in detention in Kuje prison in a worse condition than Ogechi. He may sure not happier or deserve if any right? But Ogechi deserve for him on a detention to fight for her own cause. Ono chokon subdue Ogechi, Ogechi no in bondage. Kunu when we can they were in a position where she cannot even defend herself. If you want peace, see, withdraw this case. You people should go and settle. The only way you can settle with Ogechi is to humiliate her before people. I know that is why all of you are looking for apology. Ogechi's case cannot be the first. It cannot be the last. Go and advise Ijele to go and apologize to Ndenya Nweroku. Because in a prison now, Ijele deserve on a detention almost 1 year, but Ogechi deserve on a detention for just 2 weeks or 2 weeks and only believe you know because Ijele na fight Ojuwe deserve in or there. Don't you believe that Ogechi will reform and fight Ojuwe showing or there? Look, Ngwana see Ogechi Nwehono. Ogechi cannot speak for herself. You are feeling pity for Ogechi. When Ogechi came to court, were you not aware that she said she's not guilty? You said that Ogechi Ayasalunwane. Don't you know that Ogechi can speak through her lawyers? That now her lawyers who they represent here now. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu speak through her lawyer, through his lawyers. And because Namafu go now deliberately, if our game and that game is to technically defeat Ogechi and silence her. I will no longer respond to any of you. I will allow you people to dwell in this ignorance. Even if Ogechi ends up apologizing tomorrow, I don't think that is defeat from your own part. That is not defeat. That is not defeat. If you want peace and you are an Igbo man or woman who says you want peace on Facebook, tell this woman to withdraw that case. You have said worse things about people on Facebook. Apologize to you if all of you kept on disregarding if people. I wish everything in the Ogechi. I wish you people that 10,000 fold. I showed me video for a lot of you who keep adding my pictures and all this. I know what to do. I know what to do. Go very careful. Don't very, very careful. Enough of that nonsense. I will no longer respond to any of you. I will not even pretend like I'm seeing anything. But this joke is more than enough. It is more than enough. Share this video. Come on, joy if you.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe on this channel. Share this video, like and comment. Drop your thoughts on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.